exclusive live radar and 9-day forecast, so you'll know first. This is First Alert Weather.
Welcome back.
Thank you. I'm happy to be back.
Yes.
Now, we know those warming shelters will come in handy.
Yeah, because we're going to see some really cold air roll in as we go through the weekend, but even more so next week, Bria, the lows actually get below zero. Wind chills approaching 10 degrees below zero. I'm going to show you that on the 9-day forecast. Before that really cold air gets here, we have a winter storm to get through. And with that in mind, the National Weather Service, they have issued a winter storm watch for the entire area, and that'll be for Saturday evening through Sunday night. And again, that includes all of us. So here's a general breakdown looking at FutureScan. Tomorrow, it's a dry day. Saturday, it'll start out dry. And even at lunchtime, we're still looking mainly dry, but by the late afternoon heading into the evening, we'll start to see that wintry mix. Some light freezing rain, possibly some sleet. I think that's what most of us would see. Some snow where you see the blue, more so up into northern Missouri, northern Kansas, Hiawatha, St. Joseph, and Cameron. That will continue and really become more widespread and heavier Saturday night. Heading into Sunday morning, notice you're going to start to see more of the magenta, the deeper pink showing up here. So heavier freezing rain, some sleet, lining up with about I-70 in areas southward. This is Sunday morning at 7. Notice that snow line is now creeping into the northland of the metro and certainly up into northern Missouri, northern Kansas. Snow for you. The later in the morning that we go, you'll see more blue on the map. So more of that snow, more of that changeover to all snow for the area heading towards midday. Then through the afternoon, we'll see area-wide snow, a strong wind out of the north. Those gusts could be up near 35 miles an hour, blowing the snow around, reducing visibility. Then by our Sunday evening, the snow should be moving out of here. So what are we thinking as far as our totals go? And this is based on a ice to snow changeover between about 6 a.m. and noon. Around the metro areas, I'd say from downtown and southward, a 3 to 6 inch range. The farther north you live, so Liberty, you're kind of on the edge of that 3 to 6, 6 to 9. Same towards Platte City and Leavenworth and areas northward to St. Joseph, Cameron, Chillicothe. 6 to 9 inches for you. 1 to 3 farther south, Garnett, Lacine, and Clinton. Now, if we get a faster changeover, so that's what we're still working on. How long will it take for that freezing rain and sleet to change over to snow? A quicker changeover, that's going to mean more snow, and you'll notice some of the heavier totals start creeping farther south. More areas will be in that 6 to 9 range for the metro. 3 to 6 goes farther south, closer to Lacine and Garnett and Clinton. And then you see a slightly larger area of 9 to 12, which could include parts of the Northland here. Again, that would be with a faster changeover from ice to snow. So that's something we will be monitoring for you. As of right now, we're thinking those lower numbers that I showed you first. Ice potential, we have to watch for that too. So around a tenth or so for the northern half of the metro, a tenth to a quarter of an inch of freezing rain and sleet as you go from near Olathe and Lee Summit and Belton, a quarter of an inch to a half inch farther south, Lacine and Clinton. So certainly some travel issues can be expected with this as we go through the weekend. That's why tomorrow, if you need to get out and get some things done, tomorrow should be just fine for that. Temperatures will be chilly, middle 30s will do it, so you'll need your winter coat for tomorrow. We'll only be in the 20s on Saturday. Look at Sunday. We'll start the day in the 20s, but we'll only be in the teens for the afternoon. Wind chills dip down below zero by Sunday evening. And then we have some impact days for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. As the kids head back to school, morning wind chills will get down close to 10 degrees below zero. Actual morning temperatures will be below zero, certainly for Tuesday and Wednesday morning. That looks pretty likely. And then we very slowly warm up heading into the second half of next week.